Today I'm sharing how to open a Vanguard Index Fund. I'm going to show you step by step on screen how we're opening an index fund, what steps you have to go through, how long you have to wait, how does the process, how do you link a bank account, all of that I'm going to show you step by step. I'm actually going to be buying VTSAX, which is an awesome index fund, very well diversified. So let's get to the computer. Here we are on the Vanguard site. This is just vanguard.com, and we are going to go to personal investors and then open an account. So you can open a new account, or you can move assets from your IRA, from a 401k, different things like that. I'm going to start a new account, and then you can choose how you want to fund the account. So we are going to do electronic bank transfer. Continue. Are you new here, or do you already have a login? I'm new here. Next, you're going to need your routing number, your bank information, as well as your current employer's name and address. Continue. Do you want to do an IRA, general investing, college savings, or a SEP IRA, for 401k, simple IRA? We're going to do general investing. Then, do you want it for your individual, joint, or trust? We're going to do joint for husband and I. Continue. Then you need to choose what type of joint. So joint tenants with right of survivorship or tenants in common. I'm going to do joint. Then you're going to add in your personal information. For the first owner's address and phone number. The second owner's, just do same. Now we're going to set up a web profile for the first owner. Now you're going to add your bank information. Now you need to enter the amount you'll transfer from your bank fund. And this is going to take about 2 to 3 days. So this is the first step. So we're going to do $3,000. Now you have to enter in your employment information. What are the sources of money going into this account? So they just want to know if it's salary, retirement, all of that. So this is going to be just from our salary, from our day jobs. Indicate your goals for this account. So do we want, select up to 2 objectives: capital preservation, income, growth, speculation. So we want growth and speculation. Personally, please review your application to open the account. Please review and sign new account agreements. Submit application. Your joint brokerage account has been opened, so your money is moving into your account. So now we have to wait 3 business days, and then we can choose our investments. So I'll see you then. Today is the next day. The transfer actually happened really quick. Typically it takes a couple days, but it happened within 1 business day. I did have to go in and confirm the amounts. So just like the dollar amount or the cents that they added as just test deposits. And now we can go ahead and add the accounts. So after this, we have to pick what index fund or what account, ETF, whatever you want to do. So we're going to go to balances and holding, and it's going to bring us to this screen here. I just have to be careful about what I block out for you guys. So then we are going to go to buy and sell. Buy Vanguard funds. Then we are going to do add another mutual fund, and I'm going to do VTSAX. That is the fund. So this is the Vanguard Total Stock Market Index, which is a minimum of $3,000, which is what I put in. And then buy in dollars, we want $3,000, which is the total buy amount here. So we can continue. Where's the money coming from? So from my settlement fund, this is the money that I moved in here yesterday. Total funds available for trade at $3,000. Hit continue. Consent to electronic delivery. And then just confirm everything. What you're buying, we're buying Total Stock Index Fund, VTSAX. Submit. And there you go. It is purchased and it is good to go. So that is how you buy an index fund. All in all, it took me 5 minutes, 10 minutes, super, super quick. I hope that was helpful. Let me know what other investing videos do you want to see from me? And also let me know down below in the comments, what type of investor are you? Are you more of a index fund, an ETF, single stocks, crypto, options? What type of investor are you? I'd love to hear from you guys down below in the comments, and let's keep the conversation going. If you want to learn more about dividends, a full dividend investor guide, check out this video here. And if you're a little nervous about investing and you want to overcome your fear of investing, how to get started, I'm nervous about it, what do I need to do, what do I need to learn, check out that video here. No, 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 no.